We're going to do a really fun project today. We're going to make a tube mesh wreath, and it's going to be like a little elf wreath, and it's really, really cute. I started making it, so I will show you how we're going to do some of this, and we will get going, okay? All right. We have pipe cleaners. You could use zip ties. I find pipe cleaners work the best, and what you're going to do is just take it, and just one of them, you can get them at the Dollar Tree real cheap, a bag of them. Then just cut it in half, because you only need half of, you don't need a full one. So we're going to do that. I'm going to show you how we're going to make the loops, which will look like this when we're done, so that we could add it to our wreath. What you're going to need is, you can pick any colors you want. I have so much craft stuff from years. And so I'm trying to use up everything I have. I'm sure some of us have totes and totes of stuff. This is an iridescent tube mesh. This is a green one. This one's silver. And then this one here, of course, is red. I cut them at 28 inches long. I want to stretch it, but don't stretch it too far. If you stretch it way too far, you're going to not measure correctly. So just a light stretch, just to get that little wavy kink out of it. Then you're just going to line them up like this, just like that. Hold on to the end there, and you're just going to take them and make a loop. I'm doing an 8-inch wreath form, so I'm not going to make these huge. And then you're just going to hold it here. You're going to make another loop like this. And then you're going to come back around and make another loop like that. And then come back here and just make another loop just like that. Don't worry if they're not perfect on both sides, because you can adjust that in a little bit. Then you're going to hold it together, put your pipe cleaner on there, and give it a couple twists just like that. And boom, you're done. Now you can look this over and see that this one here is a little smaller, so you can pull it and just play around with them till you get them to where you like it on each side. And then you just play around like I said. When you're done, if you don't want these tails shown, a lot of times they're not going to show in the wreath, but if you don't like them, don't cut them off at the beginning, because if, like I said, when you're trying to adjust and you pull that, you're going to have a problem then. So just, you're done, snip it off, leave your ties open, because you're going to tie them on here. Now, a lot of people I know that make these wreaths tie their zip ties on, or their pipe cleaners on ahead of time. I don't. I just, excuse me, I got a little frog in my throat. I just find it easier to go, as I go. I also want this to be pretty much filled in the middle here. I don't want an open spot. In case I want to stick something in there, I have something to hold it in the back of it, okay? You're going to see here, and you're probably going to have it as well, where one of these might pop out. Don't worry about it. Just shove it in there, just like that. Boom. Nobody knows any different. Then what you're going to do, and I'll see if now I'm just going to show you where we're going to take this here, and we're going to push that up as far as we can. This, where it bevels up, is the good side. This is your wrong side. So where it goes down in, that's where you want to tie your zip tie so nobody can see it. I'm going to do it on the middle ring here. Once you put it through there, of course I can't see what I'm doing here. Put it in the middle ring like that. Bring that in there like that, so you can see where it's hugging the middle ring. And then you're just going to twist it. And just twist it a few times, just like that. Then you're just going to push it up as far up to there as you can. And you're just going to keep adding your bundles. So you're just going to do another, I'll show you another one. And this one we'll do on the bottom one here. And then you're just going to take it like this. Take it, and then you're just going to twist it again like that. Couple good twists. And then push it this way till you fill this whole ring up. Okay, and I'll be right back when we finish. Okay, we've finished up. on an 8-inch wreath, I forgot to count them all, I'm terrible. But between 15, 20 little bundles you will make to do on an 8-inch wreath form. I got my wreath forms, you get 2 of them for $1.25 at the Dollar Tree. So you can make 2 of these smaller ones. I just wanted a smaller one. You could do the 14-inch or whatever you wanted to do. That's fine too. I just wanted a small one because I'm going to hang this up probably in my entryway going down my hallway. There's like a little spot I might want to put this, or I might put it out here in my little den area. I don't know. So now we're going to decorate it up, but I think it's really, really cute. They come out really cute. They're easy. They're kind of funky, so that's what I like about them. Super easy to do. That's another nice thing. Then I'm going to take like these little tiny ornaments I got from the Dollar General for $1 a piece. And I have my little elf hat and his dangly little feet I got from the Dollar Tree. And some more ornaments here. And we're just gonna give it a little decoration. You know, so I'll show you here in just a little bit as we get going. We're just gonna put the decorations in there. I just kind of put a little hot glue on here and just kind of shove it wherever you want to. I guess you don't want to say shove it, but place it wherever you want. That sounds a little better, doesn't it? And just like I said, just keep adding wherever you want to add them. And I think they come out so, so cute when we're done with these. They're easy to make. If you do craft shows, these sell really well at those craft shows. Now I'm going to show you here, if I can, I'm going to pick a spot that I like. Whoops, that didn't glue in there very well. Yeah, I think right here I'm going to put the hat. So this is gonna, I don't know, let me see if I can get this turned up here. Hold on a second, sorry. Okay, this will work better. You can see where we're gonna start adding the balls and that in there, but pick a spot. Right here, to me, this is a low spot, which you're gonna find, you might have that. I'm taking my elf hat and I'm gonna stick my elf hat in here, okay? And then his little feet will dangle from the bottom. And then I'll decorate from there on around him. They're so cute when they're done. I bought these at the Dollar Tree as well. I bought a lot of my supplies a couple of years ago. Hopefully they still have them. I think they do. These make really fun little sprigs here and there throughout wreaths. I'll put this wreath, sorry. And I will put this through here and show you when we're done. Okay, here we go. This is our little guy. He's all done. He's so cute, his little dangly feet, his little hat. Put all of his little decorations in. He's ready to go. That's simple, fast, easy, nothing to it. You can set and make your little bundles here while you're watching TV and put it together in no time. Super cheap, easy, fun, cute as a bug. I hope you guys take a chance and try to make one of these. I think you'll really enjoy it. You can add anything you want into them. You could add a bow if you wanted to. You could actually add like little ribbons like this. I didn't do it, but you could take this little ribbon and make 2 or 3 little bundles and kind of with the pipe cleaners, stick them in and have like little ribbons here and there too, kind of showing like little pics of them here and there. Whatever you want. I'm making mine just simple and easy. Hope you guys enjoy it. Please like and subscribe. We really appreciate all your comments and all the love that you guys bring to this channel. Thank you so much, and God bless you.